Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is percentage increase pa rin tayo. So kaya lang ito yung continuation ng ating last topic. Dito tayo sa activity B. So we have to complete the table. So original value, new value, increase in value. So increase in value, ito yung difference of new value and the original value. Then sa percentage increase, new value minus original value, ito yung result ng increased value. Then divide natin sa original value times 100%. Okay, so ang given dito sa original value is 40, then minus new value is 50. So hanapin natin yung increased value or increase in value and percentage increase. Okay, so sa increase in value, so 50 minus 40. So that is new value minus original value. So yung increase in value is 10. Sa percentage increase, 10, i-divide natin sa original value na 40. Okay, so reduce the lowest term or pwede natin i-divide diretso yan. So the result is 0.25. O reduce the lowest term natin yan, divide by 10, divide by 10, so 1/4. 1/4 is equal to 0.25. Then multiply natin sa 100, so that is 25%. So dito naman, yung given original value na 190 at saka yung given din yung percentage increase na 45% or 0.45. So, hanapin natin dito. Of course, ilagay natin dito yung 45% or 0.45. Okay? Then, multiply natin siya sa original value na 190 para makuha natin yung new value. Okay? So, multiply 190 times 0.45. So, 0. Then, 5 times 9 is 45. Carry 4. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 4, 9. Then, sa 4 naman tayo, 4 times 0 is 0. Then, 4 times 9 is 36. Carry 3. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3, 7. Then, add natin. 0, 5, 15, carry 1, 8. Okay, so 85.50. So, 85.50 yung increase in value. So, therefore, 85.5 minus natin sa 190. So, that is equal to 275.5. Okay, next. So, given naman yung 12%, then 0.12. So, therefore, si 0.12, multiply natin sa 75, yung original value. Kagaya ng ginawa natin kanina. Para makuha natin yung new value. Okay, so multiply natin 75 times 12 times 0.12. So 2 times 5, 10, carry 1. 2 times 7 is 14 plus 1, 15. Then 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 7, 7. Add natin yan. So that is 0. 5 plus 5, 10. Carry 1. So 9. Okay. So ang increase in value is 9. So ngayon, kunin natin yung 75 at saka i-add natin kay 9. Okay? So, 84 na yung new value. Okay? Next. Given yung new value at saka increase in value. So, ang gagawin natin dyan, si new value, i-minus nato kay increase in value. Okay? Para makuha ang original value. So, new value na 374.4 minus 54.4. So, equals 320. So, muna yung iyang original value. So, ngayon, kuhaon na po na to ang percentage increase. So, 54.4 divide natin sa original value na 320. So, that is 0.17 or 17%. Okay? So, dito sa last given ang new value, given ang increase in value. So, kunin natin yung percentage increase at saka original value. So, kunin muna natin yung original value. So, 873.25 i-minus na to kay percentage in value na 374.5. So, ang equal is 499. So, karon kuhaon na to ang 374.75, then i-divide na to sa original value na 499. So, the result is 0.75. Okay? Diniretso ko na lang yan. Then, 0.75, so that is equal to 0.75, i-multiply natin sa 100, so that is equal to 75%. Okay? Next. So, problem solving tayo. A fast food restaurant recorded 250,000 sales in 1 week. After a week, it became 320 pesos. So, find the percentage increase of its sales. Okay, so again, we will use the formula, new value minus original value divided by original value times 100%. So, yung new value dito is 320,000. Then, minus nato sa original value niya nga 250. Okay? After 1 week, nag-change naman siya. Nahimo siyang 320. So, muna iyahang new value. So, from 250, so, nahimo siyang 320. So, minus na to na. So, the result is, divide pa natin sa original value na 250. Okay? So, 320,000 minus 250,000, that is 70,000. So, divide 250,000. Then, multiply natin sa 100. Okay, so long division. So, cannot be yan. So, 0, then 0.0. Hanap naman tayo ng number. Then, multiply natin sa 250,000. Magiging 700,000. Try natin ang 2. So, that is 500. Okay, so minus, that is 200,000. So, add 0, then bring down 0. Okay? Hanap tayo ng number, then multiply natin sa 250,000, magiging 2 million. 2 million ba yan? Ayan, 2 million. So, 8. So, 8 times 250,000, that is 2 million. Minus, that is 0. So, 0.28, multiply natin sa 100. So, magiging 0.28% or 28%. Okay, number 3. The original price of a liter of gasoline is 67 pesos. The following week, nag-change siya. Ang company, nag-adjust siya og price na 68.34 for each liter. So, find the percentage increase in the price of each liter. Again, we will use the formula, new value minus original value divided by original value times 100. So, yung original value dito is 67 pesos. New value is 68.34. Okay? Minus na ito na. Muna na siya nahitabo. So, 68.34 minus 67 divided by original value na 67. So, multiply natin kay 100. So, that is, minus na to, 68.34 minus 67. So, that is 1.34. Then, divide natin kay 67. So, times 100. So, long division, 0.02. Okay? Diretso na yan, ha? So, this is 0.02. Then, multiply sa 100, or that is 2%. Okay, so for your assignment, please answer this one. Solve the following problem, number 1 to number 3. Okay, paki-screenshot na lang po at paki-send sa inyong sagot sa message or sa paki-message na lang sa inyong mga sagot. Okay po, maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless.